Oh, it's so cold. Good morning, guys. It's morning. It's cold. I, however, am packing to go to a much warmer place today, which is very exciting. If you're new here, hello, welcome back. I'm Joel, aka Gallucks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been vlogging a lot lately, like daily vlogging. If you want to check out my recents, you can. But for now, I have just been sent a package from Dior because the new menswear show is on Tuesday the 8th of December. So I want to show you what they sent me. Okay, so this little bag just arrived at my door, but basically it is their new menswear show on Tuesday the 8th of December. I'm sure by the time this video goes up, the show will have already been out, so you can go to their website to check out the pieces. Oh, I just got an email saying the Dior show is live on Twitch as well, which is interesting. So we have the invite here. But there might be one in this bag as well, I'll have to check. But it says, the presentation of Fall 2021 collection, men's collection, Tuesday the 8th of December, 2 PM Paris time, to be revealed on dior.com. As you know, Kim Jones always collaborates with another artist for his menswear collections. And it says on the Dior Instagram, continuing the tradition of partnering with artists from around the world, stay tuned to discover the unveiling of the Dior Men Fall 2021 collection, a creative collaboration between Kim Jones and the artist Kenny Scharf. I want to say Scharf. Oh wow. So we have a t-shirt here, a plain black tee with a pocket, but on the pocket you have this beautiful CD embroidery, and then you have the Dior and Kenny Scharf tag on it as well. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm going to try this on for you guys as well. This is a size large. I don't know if they're going to be selling this one or not, but that's amazing. And then we have this beautiful box that says Monsieur Gallucks. Even when I'm filming a YouTube video, I'm taking pictures for Instagram. Okay, this box is beautiful and I kind of don't want to open it. Wow! Oh wow. So it's the pouch for the show, which you get a pouch every time you go to a show, which is amazing. And this is obviously the graphics, which makes me very excited about what the show is actually going to entail. I have a little collection of Dior pouches now. This is my third one, which is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's so cold, and I've only worn a hoodie, and now I'm freezing. Vlogging on my phone the other day actually made a lot of sense. Plus my camera battery just died, so you have to print out your negative COVID test emails. Like, you can't show it on your phone, you have to print it out. So I just got those printed because we don't own a printer. And then I needed to pick up fake tanning mitts for me and Danielle, and I went to the Boots here where we live, and they only had the most terrible designs left. I will show you when I get home because it's just like so tragic. I defy you to find someone who can hold more things than me in one hand. 2 coffees and a package. I don't know how I do it. I don't know. I'm actually really enjoying vlogging on my phone. Like, could this be the new me? Like, honestly. And it lets me vlog more often because I always have my phone with me. So I've just finished wrapping up potentially my last piece of sponsored content for 2020, or before Christmas, because usually as we start getting closer and closer to Christmas Day, obviously people have time off work, people have holidays and stuff like that, so work in the kind of influencer space doesn't kind of kick back up then until January, unless there's any like ongoing projects or anything like that. So yeah, so I wanted to get everything done before I go to Dubai because I want to be able to just relax over there, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so now I'm gonna head out because I've got a few things to pick up, a few errands before packing. I will get my suitcase out at some point, I promise. I'm literally like the worst packer ever. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock and the suitcases are out. I don't fly till 9 in the morning, so I see this as like a reasonable time to start packing, but Danielle, who I'm going with, has had her suitcase out for like a week. So what I do now is I just start going around my house and throw in stuff that I think that I'll want to wear. And then I'll like pack it all properly afterwards, obviously. I'm like the most unorganized person ever. This is a pile of clothes that I do want to take. This is more like underwear and socks and like vests for the gym and stuff. And now I have to figure out what exactly I want to take. Guys, I just realised I never showed you the tanning mitts that I got for me and Danielle, so there you go. Shoe-wise, I'm taking my Dior's, my platform Converse from AS and my sandals, my toga sandals. And then I'm also going to take my Nike, well, I'm going to fly in my Jordans. I think I'm pretty much most of the way there. That's all my clothes. That's the shoes. Just like toiletries and figuring out if this is too heavy, so we'll see. Good morning, guys. It is 4 AM. I forgot to sign off the vlog last night, but I did finish packing, so that's all good. But I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'll start the next vlog on my journey to Dubai. So the next time I'll be seeing you here on YouTube, we'll be over there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Go check out the Dior show if you haven't seen it yet. And I will see you guys soon.